Here are the ingredients that we need to make this beef sausage or beef longanisa. First, we have 500 grams of ground beef, 1 medium size of chopped onions, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of ground pepper, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We also need a Worcester sauce, which is this one here, and then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, now we can start combining all the ingredients to make this sausage or beef longanisa. Alright, now we're back. The first thing we need to do is to add this 1 medium size of onion, chopped onion. That's it. And then let's add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, Worcester sauce, ginger, and Kashmiri powder, sugar, salt, and hold on, garlic powder, and then about a teaspoon of ground pepper. Now, let's combine all the ingredients to make this homemade sausage. And then another thing I forgot to tell you, we need to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Oh. Cornstarch or corn flour, whatever. That's it. Mix it well.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.